The YUNZII ACTTO B303 wireless retro typewriter keyboard brings a classic typewriter-inspired style into a modern wireless keyboard format. Designed for users who appreciate a distinctive look while still wanting the convenience of a wireless setup, this keyboard combines a retro aesthetic with practical features for everyday typing needs. One of the key features of the YUNZII ACTTO B303 is its wireless design with stable Bluetooth connection support. This allows for a cleaner workspace without the need for traditional cables, making it suitable for desks where a simple and organized setup is preferred. A stable connection is an important part of any wireless keyboard experience because it helps provide a more consistent typing workflow for daily tasks. The keyboard also focuses on long standby time, which is useful for users who want a device that can remain ready for use over longer periods without frequent attention. For people who use a keyboard regularly for writing, studying, office tasks, or general computer use, extended standby capability can add convenience by reducing the need to think about charging or maintenance as often. The retro typewriter design is one of the most noticeable aspects of this model. Rather than following the typical appearance of standard modern keyboards, the ACTTO B303 offers a more traditional visual style that can appeal to users looking for a keyboard with personality. Its design makes it a choice for those who want their workspace accessories to have a unique character while still serving a practical purpose. The YUNZII ACTTO B303 is best suited for users who value a combination of style, wireless convenience, and everyday functionality. It can be a good match for anyone looking for a keyboard that stands out visually while providing the benefits of Bluetooth connectivity and long standby time. However, buyers who are only focused on basic functionality may prefer a more traditional keyboard design without the retro appearance. Overall, the YUNZII ACTTO B303 wireless retro typewriter keyboard offers a balance between classic-inspired design and modern wireless features. Its appeal comes from bringing a distinctive typewriter-style look together with the convenience of Bluetooth operation and extended standby performance, making it an interesting option for users who want something different from a standard keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.